So, I just want to do a brief tutorial on how to get that dosage calculations for your medication. This is from the dosage calculation assignment. This is question 1 and question 4. I'm going to show you how to get that correct dosage. I've seen some students struggling with it. So for this assignment, if you completed it, because it was already due, but if you completed it, I gave you a passing grade even if you did not do as well. But I need you to have the understanding of how to get this correct medication dosage, and this is the reason for this video. So first thing you need to keep in mind is to always divide what the doctor's ordered over what you have in stock or what you have available. So for this order, number 1, the patient was ordered 35 milligrams, and what you have in stock is 50 milligrams in that 1 ml. So remember, you have to do your conversions. Well, we know 50 divided by 1 is going to be 50, right? So for this question, you're going to take 35 divided by 50, and you should get that 0.7. And that is going to be your answer, 0.7 mLs. Now, for the second one, so this one is a little bit different. For the second one, you need to do your conversion, but as you can see, this is a little bit different. So the doctor ordered 50 milligrams, and it comes in 250 milligrams with that 10 mLs. So you need to convert that 250 to and 10 before you divide it by the physician's order. So the first thing you're going to do is take that 250 divided by 10, which you're going to get, 25. Whoops. And then after that, you're going to take that 50, the physician order, 50 and divided by 25, and of course that is 2, and that is going to be your that's going to be your answer, 2 mLs. Hope this helps. If it's not, you need this for your dosage calculation test, but I hope this helped you. If not, reach out to me when you're in class.